Welcome back, everybody. I have a visit from my friend Steven Schmidt from Cooking with the Schmidt. Came to visit me here in Colorado. He said, I want an adventure. Don't take it easy on me. So today, we're gonna go make a claim jumper burger. After we crawl through this tunnel.
What do you mean a tunnel? I just climbed a mountain.
Let's give it a try. So we are actually in a tunnel. This is from the old Cripple Creek mining heyday. The trains would take supplies up to Cripple Creek and Victor, and they'd bring the gold ore back into Colorado Springs for processing. So if you could imagine, this tunnel was all built by hand. We're talking pickaxe, dynamite, manpower, and horsepower way back in the late 1800s. This is all a granite quartz conglomerate. So granite, pieces of quartz, and mica in there and whatnot. And again, if you could imagine, this was all built because man wanted to reach gold. I mean, check this out. Picked up this beautiful Black Forest smoked bacon. I like to flip my bacon early and often. That way you can try to keep it from burning. Speaking of burning, I'm gonna turn that heat all the way down. We can use the Adventure Ready bacon press to keep everything flat. Bacon is cooking really quickly. I'm gonna put it over here on this paper towel for now. I cranked the heat back to high and we have these monster 80-20 patties. A little bit of high mountain mesquite burger seasoning. Let's go in for the flip. Oh yeah, baby, look at that sear. Oh man. Pepper jack and hickory smoked cheddar. And now that spectacular Black Forest smoked bacon. Check out these sourdough rolls. These are massive. They're made to be dug out into bowls. We're gonna take some mayo and toast those buns up. Just gonna put them straight down in that bacon and beef grease. These burgers are so huge. Originally, I thought I was gonna put some water on there to melt the cheese. Don't need to worry about it. They're so thick. We'll just let these melt for a couple of minutes while we're toasting the buns. It's been a few minutes. Let's check out those buns. Toasted to perfection every time. A little bit of mayo down on the heel. And when we're adventure cooking, only the best. Only the organic lettuce will do. I was gonna use a spatula, but I realized miners wouldn't be using a spatula. They'd be using the mantula. And when you're griddling at 9,000 feet above sea level, you need elevation. Take a look at that. We've been staring at these burgers and we're teetering on the edge here. We're trying to find a good place to sit for the shot. I'm definitely glad that Steve had his hunting knife because there's no way on earth I could eat this whole thing. Go in for half.
Speak for yourself.
Let's give it a try. And I might add that sourdough roll is out of this world. It's a killer burger. Please give me a thumbs up or leave me an encouraging comment down below. Check out my buddy Steven over here, Cooking with the Schmidt. He's all over social media. He's traveling across the country griddling right now. So thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, this is Todd and Steven praise the Lord and pass.
The claimed jumper burger.
Steve kind of looks like a miner, doesn't he, with that beard? I think he's just gonna move up here to the mountains.